What's good, everybody? It's your boy Relo23. I got my boy T-Lace with me. You know what's going on. And today, we in the Cutlass. Yeah. Alright, bro. Go ahead and tell us what you got running in there. What we hearing?
Man, I got two Memphis M7 Series 12 on 600 watts, bro. Everything else stock battery, stock all. I got capacitor in the back. That bitch big.
Okay.
No straps inside that bitch, boy. My gang bang bang name, boy. And I keep a stick around this bitch. You think he lit? I'm
even what's y'all niggas' name?
What y'all niggas doing?
You already know.
Let's do, man.
Yeah. We about to get some rounds. We about to just do a drive-through, hit the hood, hit downtown. Get y'all some film of us, just hit the street with it.
7 pints about a wiggle, she think it's the one. And they giving bitches nice, I got my gift from God. I'm doing verses for the low, I'm feeling good today. You might as well just give it up, boy, I didn't touch your pay.
Yeah, alright, man. This your boy Relo23.
It's T-Lace, man. Y'all know where to find me.
Yeah, man, y'all already know. And if you like videos like this, if you want to see more of the car, y'all want to see Broke in the future, keep doing upgrades to the car and stuff, just follow his page, man. You already know that's how we gonna keep doing it. We gonna keep coming.